Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting clear, measurable goals for the chicken: recall to hand, stepping onto a perch, or entering a crate. Once done, gather treats and pick a quiet 3-4 meter training area. Make sure distractions are minimized. Start short sessions of 3-5 minutes, 2-3 times daily, using a single cue word and immediate reward. You should also note age and temperament, because younger birds learn faster. Document each trial so you know when to increase difficulty. You now shape behavior by rewarding incremental progress. If you want perch use, reward approaching, then stepping, then full mount. Once the chicken reliably offers a step, introduce your verbal cue immediately before the action, then delay the treat by 1 to 2 seconds to build cue control. Make sessions variable. Mix high-value treats with low-value ones so motivation stays. You should also add mild distractions and slightly longer waits, because generalization requires practicing under imperfect conditions. You finish by generalizing the behavior. Practice in new locations with different people and at varied times to ensure reliability. Once consistent, reduce treats to an intermittent schedule, about 50% then 25%, while still reinforcing occasional successes. If the bird freezes or shows fear, immediately back up to the last successful step, shorten sessions, and use higher value rewards to rebuild confidence. Make sure to monitor health and hunger. Persistent failure often signals stress or illness rather than training errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.